Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, well, the rain's still to the west of us, but you can see its movement is off to the east. So we're going to be looking at that rain working into central and eventually eastern Kentucky, even though the rain chances in the eastern part of the state are actually going to be less than they are back here in the central and western parts of Kentucky, because it starts to look like that as this system is moving toward the eastern part of Kentucky, it starts kind of fizzling just a bit. So that'll be something that we're obviously watching for you closely over time, and we'll definitely keep an eye on it. All right, let's talk about temperatures this morning across the state. Not nearly as cold as the last few. Yesterday we saw a big jump from Sunday morning. This morning, we're seeing a big jump from yesterday morning. Already at 40 in North Lexington, south side of Lexington, 39 Winchester. Carlisle's 39 too. Now, still in the deep valleys of eastern and southern Kentucky here, we get that cold air that just drains down there in the mountains. The temperatures drop, and we still have a few isolated 20s like Paintsville and Louisa at 23. Looking still at 26 in Boonville and 30 in Barberville. But for the most part, we've got many areas that are not in those valleys that are in the 40s, even mid-40s, down across parts of southern Kentucky. Let's take you hour by hour through the day here. Watch as that rain from the west starts moving east. By midday and into the early afternoon, at least even into mid-afternoon, we're going to have some showers around. You see how the best chance is, let's say, from Cincinnati down to Lexington to London and west. So if you live east of that, further in the eastern parts of the state, rain chances for you today are lower. Tomorrow, though, that rain shifts east, and we're going to get that swath of heavier rain working from central and even into parts of eastern Kentucky. Repeated rounds of rain going into the upcoming weekend. So showers are likely today, but again, they will be scattered at times, upper 40s to low 50s for highs. Now tonight, it's not going to rain all night. We're actually by late evening, I think that a lot of the showers are tapering. After midnight and toward dawn, the rain chances spike back up. As we look here at the next big thing, we are talking about the warmer air continue to build in. Yeah, today's warmer, but we're going to get even warmer tomorrow and into Thursday. We can make a run at 60 degrees, okay? And then we are also looking at the potential for maybe some localized streams and creeks and rivers, maybe having some flooding, all right, by the time we get to the end of the week because of the snow melt, but also the amount of rain, 1 to 3 inches from over the next few days. Climbing to the upper 50s, maybe even hitting 60 tomorrow with rain. I think the soggiest days are Wednesday and Thursday. Breaks in the rain today, not a wash. Friday's rain actually looks to end early morning. Next rain comes back in for the weekend.